Hi everyone, again in this tutorial I wanna show you how to remove anything in Photoshop. Simply, if you have a picture with a specific background and you want to move the character in this picture to another background, simply use Photoshop. Let's go. Okay, we have here a blue background and I want to move the picture here to this blue background. So I want to convert this JPG picture to PNG file. Simply guys, click to this picture, drag and drop to your Photoshop and put in the top. As you can see, now we have the first one, my blue background, and the second one, the picture. Here guys, go in the right pane and unlock this picture. Okay, here you can go to the left pane and select magic wand tool. Select in the color in the picture. As you can see, all the color now is selected. When you finish, click delete or press delete in the keyboard. As you can see, all the background has been deleted. So when you finish, go to the move tool, select the character and move or drag and drop in the first blue background. As you can see, the character moved without any background, moved as a PNG picture. You can minimize. Okay, that's it guys. When you finish, click file, save as in the desktop, save as type JPG, JPEG. Okay, save, then click OK. As you can see, we have a new character with blue background. Simply guys, okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. In the end guys, if you want to save the character in a PNG file, go to file, save as, desktop, and change the type to PNG file. Okay, desktop, save. Okay, now as you can see, we have a PNG file of this object. So you can also drag and drop here to the first one. As you can see, the same issue. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like again, subscribe and share.